In this video tutorial, you will learn how to use and apply local storage in Blazor application. Local storage is a way to store data on the user's device. So File, New, Project. Then I will select Blazor application. The name will be Blazor Local Storage. Create. And now we'll select Blazor Server App and click on Create. Now we will go to Manage NuGet Packages. Select the Browse tab. And then we will search for blazor.localstorage. Here it is. So we will install it. Accept. Then we will open startup.cs. And in configure services, we will add services.add blazor local storage. And then we will call it. So using blazor.storage. Here it is. Now we will open host.cshtml, and here in the app section in render mode we will put it to server. Save. In index.razor we will call our blazor.localstorage .ilocalstorage service, and we'll put it to ilocalstorage. Here we have added a header in which we have put Blazor local storage tutorial, and now we will add a code block in which we will add our code. So string str session value equal to blank. We can also put null, and then we will create a string message. Then we will create uninitialized async. So str session value equal to await dot ilocalstorage dot get item sync string session value. And then we'll create another constructor save session. So message equal to session saved, and await ilocalstorage.set item async session value. And then we will create another constructor clear session value, where we will clear the session. So the save session will save the session, and the message will be displayed session saved, and in the clear session value it will clear the session, and then the message will display session cleared. Now we will add an input tag. We will bind the htl session value to it with clause form control, which is a bootstrap clause. And then we'll create a button, clause btn success. On click we will add the save session. and then we'll create another button. On click, we will have clear session value. A char tag. Then we will add a span in which the message will be displayed. So style, color, oranged. And here we will put our message. Now we will copy the uninitialized async and open the counter.razor. Then paste it in the add code block. So I notice we have two errors. Let's see which errors are there. Oh, we have a dot. So we need to remove the dot after the await. Same here. Now the errors are gone. Beer, beer. And here we will add our span. So we'll copy this span and paste it here. Then we will call the str session value. So here the session value will be displayed. Copy and paste it in the index.razor. So here in the index.razor we will have our save session button, the clear session button. Then we will have the message which will be displayed and then our session value. Now let's run it, guys. The session value is null. I will type blade programming, save session. So as you can see, we have session saved and the blade programming here. So as you can see, blade programming is saved in the session value. Now we will try test, and here it is, clear session. So the session is clear. So as you can see, it's working. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more Blazor tutorial.